How to add bank account and auto debit. Before starting, download the Hanpass app available on Google Play and the App Store. Adding bank account. Tap Account. Tap Add Bank Account. Enter your bank account number. Choose your respective bank. Tap Continue. Check the 3-digit code sent to your bank account. Enter the 3-digit code. Tap Continue. Enter your 6-digit PIN. Adding bank account complete. Tap I'll do it later to continue using the app. Switching to auto debit. Tap Agree to automatic withdrawal. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap Continue. Enter your email address. Tap Continue. Tap Mobile Text SMS Authentication. Enter your personal information. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap Continue. Tap Request ARS Verification. Answer the call from 02340-91540. Listen to the instructions and wait for the sound. After hearing the beep sound, tap 1. After the call, tap Complete ARS Verification. All done. Use your Hanpass Wallet for remittance or payments.